Hi there. My name is Dr. Marissa May, and we're going to take a look at how to find the hypotenuse of a right triangle. You've probably heard of the Pythagorean Theorem, and the formula that you see here at the top is very similar to it. It's just been rearranged so that it solves for C. So let's use it. Look at question A. We want to find the length of leg A if we know the hypotenuse, that is C, is 9 and B is 2. So let's make those substitutions. We're going to put 9 in for C, and then we're going to have a square root with A squared, and then we have B is 2, so we'll put a 2 in for B. So we have 9 equals the square root of A squared plus 4. Now, the first thing we need to do is get rid of that square root, and we do that by squaring both sides of the equation. So 9 squared is 81, and then squaring a square root actually removes the square root. So you've got A squared plus 4. Now you can subtract 4, and that gives us 77 equals A squared. Now the only way to get the squared off of there then is to take the square root. So we know that A is going to be the square root of 77. Now, you can put this in your calculator, and any old scientific calculator would work, and you're going to get 8 point something, something, something. So that's going to round to about 9 because it asks us to round to the nearest whole number. So look at B then. B says find the length of B if the hypotenuse is 10. So I'm going to grab another color here. We know that the hypotenuse is 10. And we know A is 4, so we got 4 squared plus B squared. Remember, first goal is to get rid of that square root. We square both sides to do that. So 10 squared is 100. Squaring the square root cancels it, gives me 4 squared plus B squared. Now 4 squared is 16. So now we'll just subtract 16 from both sides, and that gives me 84. B squared, and now you can take the square root again. You're going to get 9 point something something, and you're going to round that to about 9 with the nearest whole number. So I hope that helps you with your square roots as well as your Pythagorean theorem.